hate this channel.
No! No!
Really, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Reesie. This is my BD channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. If you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turn on your post notifications, and join the fam. Hashtag Reesie Gang down in the comments to let me know you joined the fam. And for those that are returning, welcome babe. On today's episode, it's about hair again. So it is a 3-month update on my hair that I am currently wearing. Snatched. But if you guys want to know more information about this hair, an update, details, all that, then stay tuned. Bye.
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So you guys are here about this hair. Let me tell you, you went ham on my TikTok. I did post like a little video on how I snatched this wig and how it looks really good, and so I decided to do an update review on my channel. I tried to refer you guys to my first video, but you know, the first video doesn't look like what I have in my head right now, so I might as well do an update. I had it for a cool minute. Again, this is my graduation hair that was supposed to be for my commencement, but due to COVID-19 it canceled it, but it's all good. So let's get down to the details. This is Chinalacewigs. It's not that affordable. I did spend a pretty penny on this, but it's so worth it because it does last a very long time. As you can see, the luster in this hair. I love how this hair takes when it's straightened. As you can see, it's seamless. HD lace is super bomb. I did cut a little bit of the lace so it could just, you know, be more seamless. It is 24 inches. I did pay an extra amount of money to do 200% density. What that means is the thickness. This hair texture is Malaysian body wave. I do love Malaysian and Peruvian are my top contenders when it comes to hair textures, because with Malaysian it's like a mixture between Peruvian and Brazilian. So it's thick like Brazilian but luscious like Peruvian. As you can see, like, it's just okay. Laid. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. It is a 360 lace wig. It has a really deep part. I want to say it's 6 inches deep. It gives you a lot of parting room. I can do it on the side. I can do a side ponytail, a side, what am I trying to say? I could do a side part, a middle part. I could put my hair up in a ponytail. I have plenty of photos of me putting my hair up in a ponytail. This hair just lasts so good. It curls so good. Like, when it curls, is it like one of those thick juicy curls? Like, I really mess with this wig. I always did like Chinalace wigs though. I just felt like it's more pricey, but you are paying for the quality. This is 10A grade hair, so it's real high quality hair. I don't put much products on. To straighten, all I did was put Garnier Fructis, and that's it. The Sleek and Shine, and that's it. I didn't put anything else. I feel like when it comes to this hair, you can't put too much products in it or else it gets very oily very quick. And then it doesn't tangle. As you can see, it does not tangle, but it does have some shedding. After a few months it does shed, but I mean, I could deal with it. Did want this hair to last a very long time, so I paid extra for the thickness. So if it does shed, I'm not tripping because it's already thick as it is, super thick. You do have to pluck a lot of the hair still. I still catch myself plucking more hair by the time it goes. When I first got it, my hairline wasn't as good, but now, like, playing with my hair a little bit more, it does look a little bit seamless. So I feel like the longer you have this wig, the more natural it looks. It has adjustable straps. It did come with an elastic band, but that my head fit perfectly. I did get a cap size medium. It fits perfectly, so I did not need the elastic band, but it does come with that. It comes with extra things you need. It is an HD lace, but I did not, and still to this day, never bleached this hair. All I did was put powder makeup on it, and yeah, like I'm really happy with this hair. It turned out pretty good. A lot of y'all was asking for a review on this hair. I don't have nothing but good things to say about it. The only thing is it sheds, but it doesn't tangle. It comes out super beautiful. Yeah, that's all I have to say about this wig. So you guys, that is basically it. Comment down below if I'm missing anything. I honestly didn't think I was gonna make a video about this hair because I like it so much. So it's like, why would I post the same video about the same hair again? But y'all was wanting it, so this is just a quick update. Thank you guys for watching this all the way through. If you made it to the end, comment hashtag Reesie Gang and a purple heart so I know you made it to the end and y'all mess with me. Thank you so much. I love you so much, you guys. Thank you. We're on our road to 10K subscribers. And on that note, be easy. Bye.